Are you ready to discover the top 5 crypto airdrops that could make you a fortune in 2025 and beyond? Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest crypto opportunities. Today, we're going to explore some of the most exciting airdrops in the cryptocurrency space. Projects that are giving away tokens for free, and you could be one of the early beneficiaries if you act fast. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto investor, understanding these airdrops could dramatically improve your portfolio without investing a single dollar. What is a crypto airdrop? If you're new to cryptocurrency, airdrops are essentially free distributions of tokens or coins to a community of users. Projects often use airdrops as a marketing strategy to increase awareness, reward loyal users, or decentralize token ownership. Think of it as a thank you from a blockchain project or an invitation to join a growing ecosystem. While some airdrops may seem small or trivial, a single successful airdrop can sometimes turn into a life-changing opportunity, especially if the project gains popularity and the token value skyrockets. Now, let's get into the top 5 crypto airdrops you should pay attention to this year. First on the list is Arbitrum's airdrop. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that has grown immensely over the last few years. Users who have interacted with the Arbitrum network, whether by bridging assets from Ethereum or using its decentralized applications, are often eligible for the airdrop. Past Arbitrum airdrops have rewarded users with significant amounts of tokens, making early participation incredibly valuable. To maximize your chances, ensure you engage with the platform regularly and stay informed through official channels and communities. Second, we have the Optimism airdrop. Optimism is another Layer 2 Ethereum solution focusing on reducing gas fees and improving transaction speeds. They reward early adopters and active participants within their ecosystem. Unlike some other projects, Optimism has designed a transparent airdrop process, rewarding users for activities like trading, providing liquidity, and using specific decentralized applications. Following their official announcements and social media channels is crucial, as these airdrops can often require action to claim the tokens. Third on our list is ZKSYNC. ZKSYNC is a zero-knowledge rollup solution that promises faster and cheaper Ethereum transactions. The ZKSYNC airdrop is highly anticipated because it rewards users who contribute to testing and interacting with the network. This includes activities like sending transactions, bridging assets, or engaging with decentralized finance (DeFi) projects on ZKSYNC. The key here is that early participation and frequent engagement increase your likelihood of receiving tokens when the official airdrop is released. Fourth, let's talk about Layer 0. Layer 0 is an interoperability protocol that allows communication between different blockchain networks. Their airdrop strategy focuses on rewarding users who actively interact with multiple chains and decentralized applications within their ecosystem. Layer 0's airdrops often consider activity metrics, such as cross-chain transactions or liquidity provision. For crypto enthusiasts, this airdrop represents an exciting opportunity to earn tokens simply by exploring the multi-chain ecosystem. Finally, the fifth airdrop worth your attention is StarkNet. StarkNet is a Layer 2 scaling solution using zero-knowledge proofs to enhance Ethereum's scalability. They have signaled multiple potential airdrops for early users who engage with their testnet or mainnet. Users who deploy contracts, transact, or provide liquidity in associated projects could be eligible for rewards. StarkNet's community is growing rapidly, and participating early could not only secure airdrops but also position you strategically in one of the most promising blockchain ecosystems. Now, while airdrops are exciting, it's important to approach them wisely. Not all airdrops are legitimate, scams exist. Always verify official channels, avoid sharing private keys, and never send crypto to claim an airdrop. Instead, focus on reputable projects and maintain good security practices. Using wallets that support multiple chains, keeping track of your interactions, and documenting your engagement can significantly improve your chances of being eligible for airdrops. To maximize your airdrop potential, diversify your activity across multiple platforms, participate in testnets, provide liquidity to DeFi protocols, and engage with project communities. Many projects also reward social media engagement or bug reporting. Think of airdrops as both an investment of your time and an educational experience. By participating, you learn more about the ecosystem while potentially earning free tokens. Over time, these small engagements can lead to substantial rewards. The crypto airdrop space is full of opportunity, but it requires attention, engagement, and caution. Projects like Arbitrum, Optimism, ZKSYNC, Layer 0, and StarkNet are leading the way, offering substantial potential rewards to those who participate early. Remember, the key is to be proactive, stay informed, and engage authentically with these ecosystems. Your efforts today could turn into significant financial gains tomorrow. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest crypto airdrops, market insights, and investment tips. Join the growing community at Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where we uncover the hidden opportunities in the crypto world and guide you step by step to potentially life-changing rewards. Don't wait. Start exploring these airdrops today and secure your place in the next wave of crypto millionaires.